Okay, Doak cooks. I was just about to do something. I'm sorry. I was doing something and not recording. So let's get back to what I was doing. I'm going to plug in my air fryer. Yep, it's going to fire right back up because I just unplugged it. There's the air fryer. Okay, that's happening. All right. And that's happening. All right, so here's what we're going to do. Hi, Ruby. Say hi. Hi, Rubes. Say hi. All right, here's what we're gonna do. 6 wings. Air fryer's going. How long is it gonna take? I don't know. We need some spices. Hold on. All right, I should have some spices in here somewhere. Oh, there we go. That's what we want. Awesome. Okay, so we're gonna take our frozen 6 chicken wings. We're gonna take our dry rub. We're gonna get our air fryer going, and let's see how long this takes. Let's get into it. Okay, I'm cheating in that that's nice and hot. So I've preheated the air fryer. Let's do this. Let's start us and let's go now. Okay, see how long this takes. Okay, 6 frozen chicken wings. Go in the air fryer. They have been flattened for the freezer. So these guys are nice and not too jumbled together. Okay. I have some dry rub. I don't normally spice these with dry rub while they're still frozen. We're gonna do that today. And then we're gonna take our tongs and we're gonna flip it over and have all of our dry rub fall off. No, it's okay. A lot of it's stuck to it because it's frozen, but there is moisture still. So it is adhering, worry not. All right, now it goes back in and we'll see how long that's gonna take us. Let's find out. That was pretty quick. Wow, like that. They just separate. That's awesome. All right, so my wings are separated and there's still a little bit of spice on them. Let's add a little more. All right, back in they go. Smell delicious. They need some more dry rub. As that guy does, and some of those guys do, and we're just doing a little bit more dry rub. Okay, all right, they look good. They smell wonderful. They look really good. Okay, a little more there, a little more there. That's about good. I mean, come on, we all know that I've got OCD. All right, well, it's good that I checked. It's good that I checked because I'm going to be adding more seasoning. I just inhaled a bunch of seasoning. Well, that's unfortunate. Okay, hold on. Good, done, awesome, yay, back in they go. Oh, those look awesome. All right. These guys are basically done, but I'd like them to go a little bit darker. And I actually have, so I have now just taken all of this chicken juice and dry rub and what have you, and now have made the base of my air fryer disgusting. And I have 2 leftover biscuits that I want to put in here to warm up. So you know what? We're gonna do that real quick. Hold on. I mean, what could go wrong with me putting 2 lard-based biscuits into my air fryer with my wings to get them a little darker? What could possibly go wrong? Nothing. It's a great idea. We're gonna find out. Okay. All right. Well, those biscuits look good. Oh my gosh. Okay. Yes, the biscuits are hot. Woo, warm. All right, wings look good. Wings look amazing. All right, where are we at? Oh my gosh, I burned my hand. We are at 30 minutes and 30 seconds. That's how long it took. That is how long it took to prepare from frozen and warm up some biscuits. Let's make this a little more attractive, shall we? Well, of course, I just dumped one of my wings right in the blue cheese. That is hilarious. All right, well. All right, I don't ever do this. I never eat my food on camera. Oh. Oh. That is delicious. That blue cheese is fantastic. Oh my gosh, these wings are on fire. Oh, goodness. That is absolutely delicious. That's incredible. All right. I'm going to finish eating that guy. Ooh, it's so hot. Ooh. These are mine, so I'm allowed to touch them. That guy's down. Okay, so there is chicken wings in the air fryer from frozen. About 32, 33 minutes. I don't know, it's pretty good. That's pretty fantastic. All right, everybody. Hope everybody enjoyed Doak Cooks for lunch. I will see you guys later this weekend.
I got a broken fish.